Yes.
Thank you, I got it. Thanks. Now calling the matters of the people versus Jamel Kareem Worley. This is Z ticket 808-788. This is one count of operating while intoxicated. I have ticket 745924, one count of operating while intoxicated. Ticket number 22747276, count one, speeding 26 to 30 miles over posted speed. Count two of that ticket is failed to use the seatbelt assembly system effectively. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Stephen Shark on behalf of Mr. Warlick.
Mr. Worley, can you state your name for the record, please, sir?
Jamel Kareem Worley.
Thank you so much. How are we proceeding today, counsel?
Judge, my client would like to accept the offer by the people. He's going to admit to plead guilty to operating while impaired, and the people agreed to dismiss all the other civil infractions.
Okay, all right. If that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to your attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything besides the count reduction in exchange for a plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I want to take your attention, sir, back to the date on or about August the 31st of 2022. At that time, were you driving a vehicle in the area of East Warren and Brush Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
And while you were driving that vehicle, were you under the influence of alcohol?
I was, Your Honor.
All right, and counsel, will you stipulate that his alcohol content exceeded that of the legal limit at the time? Counsel, will you stipulate that his alcohol levels exceeded the legal limit at that time?
Yes, Your Honor, it was 0.15.
Thank you so much. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, please, Your Honor.
Thank you. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of operating while visibly impaired. The remaining counts called on this record today will be dismissed. I think I misspoke. One of the counts was open intoxicants in a vehicle. I hope I said that right and didn't say operating while impaired twice. All right, sir. I am going to get what's called a pre-sentence investigation report on this so I can just know how I need to go about sentencing you, what you may need or not need. So I'm going to have you come back on, if it works for your counsel, September 12th. Let me know. Look in your
Counsel, your appearance, please. Mr. Chairman,
September 12th works for me, Your Honor.
Okay, so September 12th, do it at 8:45
Are you starting
a.m.
on?
And you put yourself on mute, Attorney Sharp.
Yes, sir.
And sir, I need you to take a phone number down, Mr. Warlick, because you need to call them to set up your pre-sentence investigation. Let me know when you're ready, okay?
I'm ready.
313-965-3414. Yes. All right, that's our probation. We'll send over some paperwork so you can call them tomorrow and then let them know that you're going to be sentenced before me for this matter, September 12th, okay?
Mr.
Okay.
Chair, did you hear the plea agreement?
Yes, sir, I did.
Did you
All right, if there's
understand
nothing
that?
further, we're
Yes,
all
I
set. Thank you all.
Thank you, Judge. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day, Attorney Shark. So good to see you.
You too. Great to see you too.
All right, bonds continue, Mr. Warlick.
All right,
He'll give
thank
you a
you.
call. He's in morning session, okay? Mr. Warlick, he's doing some other court hearings. He'll give you a call. If he doesn't call you by this afternoon, give him a call back, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
No problem, all right? I know he was doing some other stuff, so I didn't want you to think he was ignoring you, but give him a moment. He'll give you a call back, okay?
you, Your
All
Honor.
right, have a good day.
You too, Your Honor.
I will, thank you. All right, I'm bringing Ali Yusuf. Is his first name Hazim? Is that Hazimi? or-
Hazimi, yes.
Okay. I'll call the case, Madam Interpreter, and then I'll swear you in, if that's okay.
Okay.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Hazimi Ali Yusuf. This is ticket number SP 1433532. One count, driver's license never acquired. You can tell him this.
اليوم قضية حزيمي علي يوسف التهمة إنه ورقم القضية SP 1433532 إنه ما كان عندك رخصة.
And Madam Interpreter, we have an interpreter. Can you please state your name for the record?
Good morning, Your Honor. Samira Rahal, interpreting Arabic for the court, state certified qualified.
All right, can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to translate the Arabic to English and the English to Arabic language to the best of your ability?
I do.
All right, thank you. All right. Start recording, that's fine. All right, attorney, can you state your name for the record, please?
Joseph Pernicano, P84918, appearing on behalf of Hazimi Yusuf.
All right.
Joseph Pernicani هيدا محاميك من قبل.
Okay.
Yes.
And Mr. Yusuf, can you state your name for the record, please?
سيد اعطينا اسمك الكامل سيد يوسف.
هزيمي يوسف علي.
Counsel, how are we proceeding?
عم تسأل المحامي بدنا نكمل. Hey.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in this matter. I have had an opportunity to have a pretrial. My client has a valid foreign driver's license, and I'm motioning for a dismissal with no objection from the people.
حضرة القاضي اليوم الوقت تمهيد القضية واللي موكلني عنده رخصة شرعي وبطلب منكم تلغوا هالقضية.
Okay.
With that being said, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice.
وافقت الحاكمة إنه تلغي القضية بدون حجر.
Mr. Yusuf, if you plan to stay in the United States, please get a driver's license for here, for Michigan.
سيد إذا يوسف إذا أنت ناوي تبقى بولاية المتحدة عمل معروف جيب رخصة بولاية ميشيغان.
Okay. شكرا.
All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you both. Thank you, Mr. Yusuf. Have a good day, okay?
Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you, sir. Have a good day. He's all set. You can log off, Mr. Yusuf, okay? Okay. All right. Thank you, Attorney Pernicano.
Good morning, Officer Johnson.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Who are you here for?
Whiteside.
Okay, she's here in the breakout room.
Okay.
Okay, and I'm gonna put you,
Excuse me.
I'm gonna put you in the breakout room number 1. I have you checked in.
Okay, I may have to zoom out because I'm in 220 also in another courtroom.
Okay, then when you come back, just rejoin number 1, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good morning, Ms. Whiteside. Can you rejoin the breakout room, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
He just came in.
Just came.
We saw that Attorney Bowman, okay.
Okay.
Pardon the interruption. Your Honor, I am the members in the waiting room. There are a number of people that are still in the breakout rooms that I'm waiting for a global resolution on. I haven't heard from Ms. Snyder this morning. I was wondering if the court knew if somebody was covering for her.
No, she came up earlier to handle the attorney.
Perfect. I'll just send her a text message and I'll get the resolutions for the rest of the people in the breakout room. But I'm otherwise ready.
Okay, so you want to get those first, or you want me to start? How you want me to do it?
I can do it all at the same time, Judge.
All right, I'll bring in some people then from the waiting room. Bring in Nicole Webb first. Nicole Webb?
Yes.
All right. Good morning. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good, ma'am.
Good. Now calling the matter of the people versus Nicole Sherry Webb, or Cherie Webb. This is ticket SP 1399190. Count 1, drive a registered untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please. Unmute yourself, Attorney Bowman.
Good morning, Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, state your name for the record.
Nicole Cherie Webb.
Thank you, Your Honor. Defendant presents with current and valid documents. I have seen and confirmed that they are, his registration is valid until October 23rd of this year. Would you dismiss this case for compliance? I stipulate the probable cause for the recommendation. Thank you.
All right, being officer of the court, having seen valid documents, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Ma'am, make sure always to keep everything up to date and valid and in your vehicle, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set. Thank you, Ms. Webb.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I'm bringing in Clinton Waller. You can log off, Ms. Webb. I love that smile.
Okay.
All right. Clinton Waller.
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Clinton Jerome Waller. This is ticket SX 4021087. Count 2, no operator's license, multiple operators license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name?
Clinton Waller.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Waller is here for an arraignment, so we'll waive any more formal reading of the information and complaint and stand mute for that purpose. Judge, we're asking you to dismiss this case for a paid civil infraction. He paid a failure to, I think it was failure to report an accident.
Failure to stop within a sure, clear distance.
Yeah, he 8 points.
All right. All right. At this time, the court is going to dismiss this count without prejudice. Sir, you're all set because you took care of the other civil infraction, okay?
Okay, thank
You're welcome. Have a good day, sir.
you too.
I will. Thank you. Bringing in Denise Williams. Ms. Williams, can you unmute yourself?
I'm trying. I've been trying. I don't.
No. It's okay. They told me your camera isn't working. I just needed you to unmute yourself. You're good, okay?
Okay.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Denise Williams. This is ticket SP 1334612. Count 1, disregard traffic control device. Count 2, drove while licensed not valid or improper. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Ms. Williams, please state your name.
Denise Williams.
Judge, the defendant went to take a driving test yesterday. She has a $125 reinstatement fee that she needs to pay before she can. We're just asking for some more time. Would you adjourn this pretrial so the defendant can come back?
I will. I'm going to adjourn the pretrial until September 27th, ma'am. September 27th at 8:30 a.m. That gives you plenty of time to pay that fine and get everything in order, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set. You can log off. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Continue. You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You need a moment, Attorney Bowman?
You're welcome. No, I'm just have some incoming communication from Miss Schneider. It's okay.
Okay, just let me know.
Thank you.
I'm gonna call Devin Webster. Mr. Webster? Unmute yourself.
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Devin Webster. This is ticket SP 1345895. One count drove unregistered untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Would you state your name, please?
Devin Webster.
Thank you. Mr. Webster is going to waive rights and plead guilty to the improper plate, Your Honor. He's here for arraignment, so he's waiving a formal reading of the information and complaint and standing mute for that purpose.
All right, this time the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. Sir, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
I want to take your attention back to the date on or about April 25th of 2022. Were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of East Warren and Chatsworth Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was your vehicle unregistered or untitled at that time?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
I am satisfied, Your Honor. Thank you.
And the court is satisfied as well. Enter a plea to the amended count of improper plates. Attorney Bachman, was this supposed to include the civil infraction too?
I did not know that there was a civil infraction, but I would conclude that it would be normal that the civil infraction would be dismissed upon its plea here.
Yeah, it's in default right now. That's why
So-
you ain't know.
I want to move to set aside that default and make it a part of today's resolution is because it was a part of the same transaction or occurrence, Your Honor. It's just fair.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to remove it from default. I'm going to add it to this plea. I'm going to dismiss that count. That was a no proof of insurance. Tell me, thank you, Mr. Webster.
Thank you.
All right, so my fine is going to be $200. How long do you need to pay that, 30 or 60 days?
Can I have 60 days, please?
You can. I'll give you until October 2nd to have it paid, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Thank you. Have a great day.
You're welcome. You have a great day too. Are we still good to keep moving? I see that's
Your
not
Honor,
Mr. Webster.
If you could give me a few minutes, I have those offers from Ms. Snyder and I can just bring everybody else out of the breakout room. We'll be ready for everyone.
Okay, fantastic. Then I'll do the trials first and then I'll keep going with everybody.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Okay. Lakari Woody?
Yeah, he was here earlier, Judge.
He was? Okay, cool. That's good to know.
Mr. Woody,
It's a trial today.
Mr. Woody, take yourself off mute, please. Hi, why did you leave, Mr. Woody?
Yes.
Huh?
Okay, could you repeat that?
I can't hear you.
I didn't hear what you said.
Oh, why did you leave the breakout room?
It had told me, it had a message that popped up and said something about, I don't know.
Have you talked to the attorney yet?
He had told me that he for the police officers to join.
Your phone, you're breaking up. pretty bad. What did you
He
say?
said he was going to give the police officers more time to join.
Okay, then you need to go back to the breakout room. Do you remember which breakout room you were in?
I'm not sure.
Okay. But try not to leave the breakout room if you can help it, okay?
All right.
Let's see, I'm gonna put you at the end so you won't. Okay, number 23.
Pardon the interruption, Madam Clerk. I sent you a chat. I do need a PSI for Deron Williams. Please and thank.
Okay.
Your Honor, can I have 1 minute, please?
You can, just let me know when you're ready, okay?
Sure, Your Honor. Thank you. I'm ready. Thank you.
All right. I should use my good English while I'm on this. My dad will be like, you said, all right? I'm gonna bring in Marvin Wright. I'm gonna bring Marvin Wright. We had somebody else join. They have been here on and off too, Attorney Balkman. He's in room number, I don't know if you talked to him, 23. We'll do Marvin Wright, and then he has trials today. I don't know that any of the officers came.
Yeah, I think I spoke to that individual. He's entitled to a dismissal.
Okay.
I'm gonna rename him.
What happened to the people I brought in?
I'm sorry, Judge, I didn't know you brought them in. I thought they came from the breakout room. You'll have to bring them back out because I don't know who they were.
Okay. Officer Harrington, hold on a second. I'm gonna call your case in a minute, okay? Thank you for your patience this morning.
Oh, no problem. Patience is a virtue.
I appreciate that. All right, you all right with me, Officer Harrington?
Thank you, I appreciate that.
Okay, 965. 965. 34. Yeah, you are.
All right. Let me bring in Mr. Wright. And I'll do Mr. Woody next. Marvin Wright?
Yes, good morning.
All right. Good morning. Can you turn your camera on for me, please? You know how to do that, Mr. Wright?
Yeah, I'm trying to do it now.
Okay.
Camera. You got an excellent. Oh, is that the camera part right there?
Yeah. You see, I'm gonna ask you to start. You see me asking you to start?
Okay, start my video. Hit that right there, right?
That right there, yes, sir.
Okay.
What's going on?
Did it come on?
No. I'm trying one more time, then we're just gonna continue on, okay?
Okay. No, the video wasn't coming on.
Is it on now?
Is it on now?
No.
Okay, let me try one more time.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Here you go.
I turn the video on. Hold on 1 minute, like it's freezing up or something.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay. All right. Here. It should be two.
There you go. Alone?
Yeah, bye.
Can you see me now?
Yeah, no, that's okay. I don't know what's going on. We'll proceed, okay?
Okay.
So I don't know what's happening. Now I'm calling the matter of people versus Marvin Lindell Wright. This is ticket SP 1384201. Failed to stop for a stop sign. Also calling ticket number SP 1384334. One count failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, Mr. Wright, state your full name.
Marvin Lindell Wright.
Also like to acknowledge the presence of the good officer from the Detroit Police Department. Sir, your name and badge number.
Officer Michael Harrington, Detroit Police Department, badge 3103.
Thank you. Matter set for trial, Your Honor. The defendant is going to here and now waive his right to any trial. He's pleading guilty to the failure to display.
All right, if that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
Talking about the day they did?
Today, did they threaten you or force you with anything besides the fact that the other case is going to be dismissed today?
Oh, no, no, ma'am.
All right, are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yeah, yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench trial, the officer is present, or to have a jury trial in this matter? You understand that, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, understanding all of this, you still want to move forward?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of August the 31st of 2022. So at that time, were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of the M10 Jefferson ramp and Riverfront Drive in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am. You said
And while
Chevy?
you were driving a Chevy vehicle, yes, white?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
All right, and while you were driving that vehicle, did you fail to display a valid operator's license to the officer who stopped you, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Thank you, Your Honor. I am satisfied with the factual basis and I stipulate the probable cause as to any matters being dismissed here.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court's going to enter account to fail to display. The remaining ticket will be dismissed. Sir, the fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
You say how much?
$200.
Good Lord.
It's $190 for court costs, and then I do a $10 fine.
Okay. All right. I understand.
How long do you need? 60 days?
Not paid today.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna give you 30 days just in case. Can you give us until tomorrow at least to pay it?
Okay. Well, I get to you?
No, so you're gonna either, you can physically come down to 36th District Court, or you can go online at 36districtcourt.org and pay it, okay?
Oh, okay.
Okay. All right, is there anything else at this time?
No, I was just kind of debating on that 200. It didn't cost 200 to raise me.
Now listen, I was about to say, the court costs are $190. And then I do a $10 fine. So you're really just paying the court costs, okay?
Okay.
And the other ticket is a fail to stop at a stop sign. You know how many points that has?
Yeah, I couldn't even see that stop sign. They got, it was high.
It's a 2-point ticket, isn't that right, Attorney Baughman? And now he's not gonna have any points because we dismissed that ticket?
Okay, I agree. I agree.
Okay, all right, you agree? Let's go with it, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
All right.
Appreciate you.
You're all right, Mr. Wright. You go ahead and have a good day. I know tickets a little expensive, but you'll be all right, okay?
Okay, have a blessed day.
You too. Do no later than September 1st, just in case you don't pay it, okay?
No, I'm gonna pay it now. I'm going online right now and pay it right now.
You gotta wait though. You gotta wait because we don't have it in the system yet. So give us a little bit of time to put it in the system, okay?
Oh, they might not make it to the system, huh?
Mr. Wright, if you don't be patient and get off
Okay.
online,
All
I
right.
can continue my morning docket. Thank you.
Thank you. I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much.
You too. All right. Have a good day, sir.
Have a good one. Okay, thank you.
All right. Bye-bye. All right, Officer Harrington, you be safe out there, okay?
Okay, you too. All right, thank you.
All right. Bye. All right. Let me get these other officers out real quick and tell them, because Lakita Williams didn't sign in and neither did Adam Williams, right? All right, let me get him out of here. And then Mr. Woody, I'll call Mr. Woody. I have one person left in the room. It's a Deron Williams. Do you know who that is?
I'm waiting on a pre-sentence report. I want to review that.
Okay, I see sentencing, so I just was making sure, okay. Officer Abdul Ghana.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning. I just want to let you know they didn't sign in, so my cutoff time is an hour from when they sign, from 9 a.m. So you're all set to go, okay?
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
You're very welcome. You enjoy it and be safe out there, please, okay?
Yep. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, let me see if I can get that. Oh, I haven't seen him in a while. Lakita Williams didn't sign in, right? I see it's Takia Williams. That's two different people, right?
That's two different people, and that officer, that Lakita did not show up.
Okay, all right. I just want to make sure. Corporal Crawford?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ms. Williams didn't show up. I give you my hours, so I gotta give y'all hours, so you're all set to go, okay?
All right. Thank you very much. Have a nice
You're
day.
welcome. All right. You have a great day and be safe, please, okay, Corporal?
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Lakari Woody?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
All right, there we go. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Lakari DeMarco Woody Holt. This is ticket SP 1396929. One count disobey lawful order of a police officer. Ticket number SP 1421126, reckless driving. And ticket number SP 1396927, violation of the basic speed law or drove in an unsafe manner. Count 2, tinted windows. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Blockman for the defendant. Sir, state your name.
Lakari Woody Holt.
Thank you. Judge, the matter was set for trial at 9. It is now 10:07 a.m. There being no complaining witness at this time, we're asking you to consider a motion to dismiss here without prejudice. The defendant's been advised.
All right, the time is now 10:07 a.m. No officers being present. The court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Mr. Woody, the officers are not here today. That does not mean to continue this behavior. I'm not asking whether you did or not, but you got to make sure that you're mindful of the laws and don't be out here driving reckless in your Dodge Charger. You hear me, sir?
Yes.
You know, you ain't know I knew what kind of car you had, but I knew. Okay, all
Yes.
right. I know that car has a tendency to make your foot go real fast on the pedal and drive out of control. Don't do that, okay? All right, Mr. Woody. All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set. Get back to work. I think you were at work, so go back to work, okay?
Okay, thank
All
you.
right. You're welcome.
Yeah,
Have a good
yeah.
day.
You too, thank you.
Okay. So, um, Dwayne Wright? Mr. Wright? Mr. Wright?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Dwayne Earl Wright. This is ticket number SP 13980611. Drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2 of that same ticket is no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your name.
Dwayne Wright.
Your Honor, we're here for show cause. The defendant inadvertently missed the last court date. Would you please, for arraignment purposes, accept a not guilty plea from the defendant? He waives any more formal reading of the information and complaint. And Your Honor, he arrives today with valid documents. I've seen them. They are his registration, which will not expire until February 28th of next year, and his insurance certificate, which is valid until January 20 of 2024. I stipulate to probable cause for you to dismiss these cases per policy, and thank you.
At this time, court is going to set aside any show causes that may be out there, but it's my understanding that you have now come into compliance. As an officer of the court, the attorney has testified that you have valid documents. So I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Mr. Wright, make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date in your vehicle, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing else, you're all set, okay?
Okay, thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
I can just hang up.
Yes, you can hang up. The officer checked. Yeah, she's here. Thank you for asking. What happened today? Jalen Williams? No, we're talking to go back in. Okay.
Yes.
All right, can you turn on your camera, please? All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Jalen Dion Williams. This is ticket SP 978670. One count driver's license never acquired. Also calling ticket number SP 1374252. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, would you state your full name?
Yes, this is Jalen Dion Williams.
Thank you. We're asking the matter be set for a trial date, please. The defendant is aware of his right to a jury trial. He's going to waive that here today.
And he does have 2 civil infractions that were on the docket as well. Those will continue with these cases. Sir, can you please raise your right hand for me?
Yes,
You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. You all right this morning?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. Did anyone threaten you, force you? No. Did you have an opportunity to talk to your attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes,
And it's my understanding you want to have a waiver trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
yes.
All right, I'm going to set it for the date of October 11th. October 11th, that's going to be at 9 a.m. I'll continue your bond at $0, okay? Via Zoom, it's all still via Zoom, okay, Mr. Williams?
Okay, I appreciate it.
No problem. All right, I'll see you October 11th, 9 a.m. for your trial, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great rest of your day, okay?
You too.
I will, thank you. Officer, I'm gonna bring in Ms. Whiteside now. We can handle that matter. Malia Whiteside.
Yes.
All right, you can turn your camera on for me, okay, ma'am? All right.
Okay. All right. Watch your sister. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. You gotta get your kids together. Let me know when you get to a spot.
Yeah,
That's
I'm
all.
good. I'm okay.
Okay. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Malia Dana Whiteside. Ticket number SP 1315725. Count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name.
Malia Whiteside.
Good morning, Ms. Whiteside. I'd also acknowledge the presence of the good officer from the Detroit Police Department. State your name and badge number, please, sir.
Yes, sir. Officer Robert Johnson, badge number 783, Detroit Police Department.
Good morning, Officer Johnson.
Good morning, sir.
We're going to kindly waive our right to any trial. The defendant is going to waive her right to a trial and plead pursuant to a recommendation, Your Honor. She's been advised and she's ready.
All right. If that's correct, Ms. Whiteside, please raise your right hand. Thank you. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty, Ms. Whiteside?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, ma'am. I want to take your attention back to the date of February 16th of 2022. Ma'am, at that time, did you own a Saturn vehicle?
I sold the vehicle and did not pursue to, I didn't make sure that they went to the Secretary of State. So that is on me that I did allow them to.
I see what you're doing. Okay, all right. And so you allow someone who was unlicensed to drive your vehicle then because you didn't change it out at the Secretary of State? Okay, all right.
I'm satisfied.
All right, and then stipulate counsel that it was in the city of Detroit and East Auto Drive and Yolanda Streets.
Stipulate, I'm satisfied, and I also stipulate the probable cause as to the matters that are being dismissed here, and thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. The remaining 2 counts will be dismissed. Counsel, is this on a delayed sentence or is this just straight up pleading to allow?
It's a delayed sentence, Your Honor, with dismissal on payment.
Payment, okay, payment dismissal. All right, usually my fine is $200. I know that's a lot, Ms. Whiteside. But it's the best I can do for today. Is that okay?
Yes.
How long will that take you to pay that, ma'am?
If I could get, I could pay it within 90 days.
90 days? Okay. So if I do November 1st, is that gonna give you enough time, Ms. Whiteside?
Yes.
Okay. So we'll do November 1st, okay? It's an expensive lesson to learn, but remember always to go to the Secretary of State's office and switch that out, because then you become responsible for everything they do in your vehicle.
Exactly, I
okay?
understand. Yes.
All right. All right, Ms. Whiteside, if there's nothing else, we'll dismiss this upon payment. So then all the cases will be dismissed once you pay it.
Okay, thank you. Do I just call the same court that I've contacted, like to?
So you either can go online to 36districtcourt.org and pay it, or you can physically come down to 36.
Okay,
So
thank you.
Way, okay, and you can pay it in the stages too. You don't have to pay it all at once.
Okay.
So you got $50 here, put $50 on it. So
Okay.
that way you can make sure it happens, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, good luck to you, Ms. Whiteside. Get back to
Thank
the
you. Have a good day.
You too, thank you. Okay, Officer Robert Johnson, thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor. Thank you. And you have a good day. Thank you.
You too, stay safe. I don't know what happened to talk, went in there to talk to him. Okay.
Anthony Webb was here earlier. Should I let him in?
They were in here earlier. No, just leave him in there. I can actually bring him in and do his matter. He's all set. I don't know what it was, but we good. Mr. Webb?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Anthony Tyrone Webb. This is ticket number SP 1283775. Count 1, drove while on license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number SP 1283774. Count 1, failed to use the seatbelt assembly system effectively. Count 2, failed to signal. Count 3, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
Need Tyrone Webb.
So, Judge, I'm showing that we have one count set for trial here. Matt,
They should have all been
together.
under trial, yeah. No,
Yeah.
they should have been.
If they were all written by Officer Prudhomme, that officer has not appeared as a complaining witness for a trial here today. Would you please dismiss these cases without prejudice? The defendant's been advised as to what that means.
That's just a mistake. It should have all been pre-trials. I don't know why that one's a hearing. It should have all, they were all set for pre-trials today.
So I did discuss this with him. There's a recommendation that if he pled guilty here to the no registration, which is he's prepared to do, that the balance of the counts would be dismissed here. The court finds that to be in compliance with, what we know the policy to be. He's ready to make a factual basis on that count.
Is it the no receipt of registration? Is that what he's pleading to?
Yes, Your Honor, 0 points.
The civil infraction. Is that what I'm understanding?
That is, Your Honor.
All right. Do you stipulate to the four corners of the ticket in order to establish a factual basis?
So stipulated for the plea here, Your Honor, and I stipulate to probable cause for the dismissals, and thank you.
All right. So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea of responsible to no receipt of registration. Count 3. Let me see if it's late. It's late. $105 is how much this ticket costs, sir. You have 14 days to pay civil infractions. How long? Is that gonna be enough time for you?
Yes.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to dismiss per counsel's stipulation, the remaining tickets called on this docket, enter a plea for no receipt of or unsigned registration. The $105 is due no later than August 15th, sir, August 15th.
My birthday.
Aw, happy birthday. You want to be August 16th, just in case, Mr. Webb?
Oh, no, that's fine.
All right, Mr. Webb, good luck to you, okay?
So all the other ones are dismissed.
All the other tickets have been dismissed as a part of that one ticket you pay off, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
All right, bye-bye.
I will, thank you. Jerona Williams? All right, unmute yourself for me, please. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jerona Faye Williams. This is ticket SP 1473376. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Also calling ticket number SP 1473373. Disregard traffic control device. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, would you state your name?
Jerona Williams.
Thank you. The defendant's going to waive any right to any further hearings or trials. She's going to resolve this matter here today by pleading guilty to failing to display her valid driver's license. That's a reduced charge and carries 0 points.
All right. Is that how you want to move forward today, Ms. Williams?
Yes, I do.
All right. Please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, ma'am. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
That's Attorney Spokesman.
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you have to have a bench or jury trial in this matter? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, ma'am, I want to take your attention back to the date of June 22nd of 2023 this year. Were you driving a Dodge vehicle in the area of Cheyenne and Jeffries in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, had you never acquired your driver's license at the time, ma'am?
Previous in the years before.
Okay. Previous in the years before. What did you have your driver's license that day, ma'am?
No, I didn't.
Satisfied.
Okay. All right, the court is satisfied as well. And then I'm going to enter a plea to the amended charge of fail to display, as well as dismiss the disregard traffic control device, okay? So that gets rid of those points, okay? My fine is $200, ma'am. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
30 days.
Okay, I'll have it due no later than September 1st then. September 1st, okay?
Thank you so much.
You are so welcome. All right, have a good day, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Attorney Baldwin.
Yes.
Can you put in the chat for me, the website for the better drivers? Can you put it generally in the chat for me?
Mhm.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. There it is.
I'm bringing it to Kia Williams.
Yes.
Ms. Williams, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Takia Williams. This is ticket SP 896457. Drove while license not valid or improper license. That's in warrant status. Tickets today on the docket are SP 1468410. Failed to display a valid operator's license. And ticket SP 1468393. Blockade, moving lane of traffic. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman. For the defendant, would you state your name, please?
Takia Williams.
Thank you, and good morning, Ms. Williams. Judge, the defendant will waive any formal reading of the information or warrant, and for arraignment purposes on that charge, please enter a not guilty plea on her behalf. There is a resolution, and she's going to plead guilty to the reduced charge of failure to display on one of the instant cases. And we would ask respectfully if you would make this a global resolution by including both the other cases mentioned on the record today as dismissal.
I will do that today. Ma'am, if you want to take advantage of that offer, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Bachman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of, let's go with June the 22nd of 2023. Were you driving a Kia vehicle in the area of Monroe and Beaubien Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And did you fail to display a valid operator's license to the officer?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor, and I stipulate the probable cause as to the matters being dismissed here. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to fail to display. The remaining counts called on this record will be dismissed. Ma'am, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
Probably 60.
Okay, that brings us to October 2nd. Does that sound fair?
Yes.
All right, October 2nd is when that fine is due, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
Okay.
All right, enjoy the rest of your day, Ms. Williams.
You too.
I will, thank you. Jalen Wright, Mr. Wright?
Yes.
All right, go ahead, have a seat for me. Are you ready, Mr. Wright? You're froze for a moment. You hear me? Okay. Now
Yep.
calling the matter people versus Jalen Lee Wright. This is ticket number SP 1473060. This is count 1, insufficient or defective light. Count 2, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Sir, state your name.
His reception isn't good.
Mr. Wright, can you hear? Would you unmute your device? We can't hear you.
Okay, I can hear now.
Restate your name.
Jalen Wright.
Judge, the defendant is continuing a not guilty plea and asking for a waiver trial date by Zoom, please.
That's the case, sir. Please raise your right hand.
Is it me?
Yes, that's you. I'm talking to you, Mr. Wright. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Goffman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding that you want to have a waiver trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to set this for a waiver trial on the date of October the 11th. October the 11th at 9 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0. It will be via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, okay, sir, will be the same way at that point, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, Mr. Will Wright. We'll see you on October 11th at 9 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Could you?
ready to continue. Thank you.
See if I got anybody else.
I don't understand that.
Mr. Washington?
Yes,
Roosevelt,
ma'am.
Washington?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Roosevelt, Washington. This is ticket SP 10159923. Oh no, that's not supposed to be there. That's one that you already took care of. Ticket number SP 1051149. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper plates. Count 2, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. And also you ticket 582433920. 1 count narcotic and drug related violations. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Mr. Washington, state your name.
My name is Roosevelt F. Washington.
Thank you, sir. Judge, this is a show cause. The defendant will waive any more formal reading of the information or complaint and stand mute and ask for a pretrial date, please, and thank you.
All right, at this time, you said what?
By Zoom, please.
Okay, absolutely. At this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client. Sir, I'm going to set this for a pretrial on September 27th. September 27th at 8:30 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All right, have a good day.
You have a blessed one also.
Thank you, sir. All right, bye-bye. R.G. Watson?
Yes.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus R.G. Watson. This is ticket number 464708. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Ticket SP 1014264. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1090806. Open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Then I have 2 tickets not on the docket, but for show cause. It looks like one is scheduled for 7/28, not for show cause for a first appearance. That's ticket number for the scheduled appearance on 7/28. Ticket SP 1468691. That was trespassing in a vacant, occupied, or commercial building. And then the show cause ticket is SP 1466800. 1 count disorderly conduct. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ms. Watson, please state your name for the record.
R.G. Denise Watson.
Judge, these matters are here for pretrial. As to the matters that are here for show cause or arraignment, please accept the not guilty plea from the defendant. Can we set a new pretrial date so that we can achieve a global resolution?
We can. All right. I'll give you a new pretrial date on.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm looking to see what the charges are in the instant case. We might as well just set for trial, please.
Okay. I understand. All right. You understand some of the tickets that you have are a little bit more hefty. So we're gonna set it for a trial date. Is that okay with you, Ms. Watson?
Yes.
All right. If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, ma'am. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Bachman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
It's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial or waiver trial. That's a trial before me as a trier and finder of facts. All these officers who wrote you these tickets will have to appear that day. And so that way we can try and work something out and see which officers actually come on that day so that we can see if we can work some of these out, okay?
Yes.
All right, so this is, your next court date I give you is the court date for all these tickets I called today, okay? So you don't have to come back until this date, okay? Which is
Yes.
gonna be October 11th. October 11th at 9 a.m. via Zoom is gonna be your waiver trial. I'll set your bond at $0 unless you pay some money. Those will remain in place, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I'll see you for your waiver trial, October 11th, 9 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, Ms. Watson. I'll see you then, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank
You're welcome, Ms. Watson. All right, Attorney Baldwin. Yeah, I had a couple of extra cases. Sorry about that.
That's okay.
I am wondering, let's handle all of her stuff at the same time so we don't look crazy. All right. Harold Washington?
Yes.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Harold Washington. This is ticket number 439913. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Count 2, no registration. Count 3, no insurance. Ticket SP 1315507, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number SP 1430755. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, expired plate. Ticket number SX 3716628. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Ticket number 204-39913. Count 1, drove while license not valid. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Those tickets are in warrant status. Ticket number SP 1434941. Count 1, drive while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, no proof of insurance. Ticket number SP 1, nope. Ticket number SP 1286578. Count 1, no insurance, no, drove while license suspended, repeat offender. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. State your name, please.
Harold Washington.
Thank you, Mr. Washington. Judge, this is not a global resolution that I have discussed with the defendant. Can I ask Ms. Snyder if she's available to just come get the file and make a best offer?
Can you, so she
I
can see
will.
all these tickets? It may
I'll
need to
send her
be
down
there.
right now.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Washington, you got a lot of tickets because I pulled everything. Now
Yes.
they gotta try to figure it out for you, so you gotta hold tight, okay?
Yes.
Corporation counsel is on the way, Your Honor.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll be right back.
Okay. We ready on Mr. Williams?
We are.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Deron Kennard Williams. This is ticket Z8088461. This is one count of operating while visibly impaired. This is the date and time set for a sentencing in this matter. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman, on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Williams, please state your full name.
Deron Kennard Williams.
Judge, for the purpose of sentencing, I have reviewed the pre-sentence information report with the defendant. We find it to be factually accurate. There are no additions, corrections, or deletions. As to the recommendation, we ask respectfully if you would follow that.
Sir, do you have anything that you want to say on your behalf before I sentence you today?
Me as myself.
You as yourself.
Yes, I really want to just apologize. At the time of, I probably didn't realize the seriousness of the situation, and it could have came out differently. And I just wish I had never put myself in that position. And just respectfully, that although nothing occurred, I still feel bad that I was even in that position to even have been, putting someone else at danger.
That's right, Mr. Williams. Okay. So you already gave yourself the lecture I was going to give you.
Well, especially at this age now, because I know when, wrong is wrong and right is right. I wish it was a way possible that I can let other people know that before they make that mistake. But, it's hard to tell a person something when they think they know everything.
It is, but all you can do is tell them. And then that way, when they come back to you after they unfortunately make the same mistake, it's not a, I told you so. It's a, with caring and compassion, and say, that's why I was trying to warn you, because I understand, right? So you can only do what you can do, but I wouldn't discourage you from trying to be at least, shoot somebody away from this behavior. And that was such a responsible answer, sir. I'm glad you realized the gravity of it. You were pretty intoxicated, okay? And thank God, like you said, nothing worse happened in this particular instance, okay? Because I've seen it, where you just instantly alter your life in a moment, and it's no going back. But Mr. Williams, I think you get most of it, all right? So here's what the court is going to do. I am going to give you, it's asking, they want you to go to specialty court. I'm not going to do that. And that's probably because you got a lot going on. But I will say this, Mr. Williams, I do want to do a checkup in like 3 months, just to make sure you don't need any additional services. And if you do at that time, we'll reconsider the specialty court program. But for today, I'm just going to give you regular probation, okay?
Okay.
So specialty court is way more intensive, okay? But based on what you just said, I feel like you understand what took place. So I'm going to put you on regular probation. I am going to do 18 months, but like I said, we'll review it. And that doesn't mean that you can't get off sooner. I want to do a review in 3 months, just to make sure everything's going well with the terms and conditions I give you, okay? You cannot consume or possess any illicit controlled substance or alcohol while on probation. You cannot consume or possess marijuana without your valid marijuana card, okay? So as long as it's valid, you can. You must submit to random drug screenings. They're saying 3 times per month. I'm going to do twice per month, okay?
Okay.
You have to complete the alcohol highway safety education level 2. Submit to a mental health evaluation and follow any recommendations they may have. You're going to get a copy of all of this, sir. Complete victims impact panel. I need you to watch the consequences video. I'm not going to do the outpatient treatment unless I really see some issues, okay? That's why I want to review in 3 months. I want to see where you're at and what they think, okay? All right, pay all assessed court fines and fees. I'm including a $35 per month supervision fee and 100 substance abuse victims fee. They want you to do community service. It might be good to do some community service. I want you to find some groups to talk to about the importance of not drinking, okay? So I'll do 30. I am gonna do the 30, it says 30 days. I don't know what that means versus hours. I'm gonna do 30 hours of community service. My additional fine to all of this is going to be $350, okay?
Okay.
All right, you'll have the term of probation in order to complete this, okay? Like I said, you'll get a copy of this. Probation services, whoever you spoke with, let them know that you were sentenced today for your pre-sentence report. If you remember their name, they're most likely gonna be your probation officer. Let them know you were sentenced and we'll send over the information. And I wanna see you in 3 months, just to make sure I don't need to give you any additional services, okay?
Okay.
All right, Mr. Williams, I feel like you're gonna do really well on this. So prove me right, okay?
I will, Your Honor.
All right, that's what I like to hear. I know, I feel like you are too. I appreciate that, Mr. Williams, okay? I hope it's not just talk, but we'll see in 3 months. All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, Mr. Williams. I'll see you for a review, and we'll make that on November 1st, okay? It's November 1st for your 3-month review, okay? Via the same way, okay?
Yes.
All right, at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
All right, you have a good day, Mr. Williams.
You too. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. All right, have a good day.
Mr. Washington, unmute your device, please.
Hello, yes.
Hey, so I just want to be brief because we're on the record. A new offer for all those new cases that the judge read onto the record that hadn't been discussed with you, the prosecutor is going to dismiss all of them if you just plead to one more count of improper plate. That will be 0 points on your record. You'll pay an additional fine for the one count, and all the newer counts will be dismissed here today. Is that okay?
Yes.
A great deal. I thank the prosecutor. We're ready, Your Honor.
Okie dokie. All right. I see Mr. Washington is smiling.
Yes, I am.
All right. Back on the record in the matter of People versus Harold Devon Washington. These matters were previously called on this docket today. We stopped for a moment so that counsel could reach out to Corporation Counsel and see if he could get an offer for all of the matters, and he was able to do so. Appearances once again for the record, starting with counsel.
May it please the court, Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, sir.
Harold Washington.
Judge, there is a global resolution and the defendant is going to plead guilty here and now.
All right. That's the case, sir. Please raise your right hand. Please swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
I do, yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir, I'm going to take your attention back to the date of February 24th of 2023. At that time, were you driving a Chrysler vehicle in the area of Grand River and Cooley in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was your license suspended at the time?
Yes.
Did you also drive that vehicle while it was unregistered?
Yes.
Also, I want to take you to the date of February 7th of 2023. At that time, were you driving a Chrysler vehicle in the area of Hubble and West Auto Drive in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
While you were driving that vehicle, did it not have any car insurance on there at the time?
No.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
As to all counts, I'm satisfied, Your Honor, and I stipulate the probable cause for all the matters being dismissed here. Thank the court and the prosecutor.
At this time, the court is going to enter pleas to fail to reduce count of fail to display and 2 counts of improper plates. The remaining counts called on this record today will be dismissed, sir. All right, Attorney Baughman, the only 2 counts that haven't been included are civil infractions from 2020. I did not include those. The civil infractions from 2022, I am going to include. I included those and called those on the record. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Washington, you have a couple of civil infractions out there, and one of them speeding. It's from a few years ago. You need to still pay that ticket, okay? If you have not paid it.
Yes.
Speeding ticket from 2022, though, I included in this plea today, okay?
Okay. Yes. Yes. And how much is that?
Okay. Well, my tickets that I charged you today, I haven't gotten to it yet.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
It's okay. You have quite a few tickets, sir. So I'm. All right. I'm gonna charge you $200 per ticket. So that's a total of $600, okay?
Yes.
I'm gonna give you some time to pay it though, okay?
Yes.
How about, you're welcome. How about, you need 3 months or 4 months?
Yes, 4 months. Is that good?
I can do it. That brings us to the end of the year, but I'll do that. Remember,
Okay.
you have this other ticket out there too, though. Those other 2 tickets that are civil infractions.
Okay.
Okay, from 2020, and anything prior to that, you gotta take care of too, okay?
Yes.
But I'm $200 per ticket. I'll give you until December 1st, 2023 to have that paid, okay?
Yes.
All right.
And that's 600.
That's $200 per ticket, okay? Now,
Okay.
you may have some reinstatement fees. Those are extra, but take care of my tickets first, okay?
Okay,
If you
yes.
need to be on a payment plan, come down here and get on a payment plan, okay?
Yes, I will.
Then you
Yes,
don't have
I
to
will.
come up with all of that by December. They'll give you some time as long as you make a payment. But you
Okay.
gotta come down here and set that up, okay?
Yes, I will. Yes, thank you.
You're very welcome, Mr. Washington, okay? Good luck
Yes.
to you, okay? I know you're trying to get your license back. You
Yes.
didn't lose it overnight, so it's gonna take some time to get it back. Be patient.
Yes, I sure will.
Okay, all right. There's nothing further. You're all set, Mr. Washington. That's all my tickets on my docket.
Okay, thank you. You have a blessed day.
You too. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right. Do you need to talk to both Ziegler and Williams?
Kevin Williams is going to remain the same. I could use a moment with Mr. Ziegler.
Okay, I'm gonna bring in both of them and then they'll know. So with Mr. Ziegler, you can.
Okay. Mr. Ziegler, unmute your device, please. Lamont Ziegler, please unmute your device.
Yeah, Mr. Williams should be good. I see it.
Lamont Ziegler.
It's all right.
All
What
right.
I'll do is I'll do Mr. Kevin Williams if he responds, Kevin Williams, and then hopefully Mr. Ziegler will hear us talking. Mr. Williams, Kevin Williams. There you go, Mr. Williams. I can't see you, but that's gonna have to do. Now calling the map. Can you hear us, Mr. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Kevin Darrell Williams. This is ticket SX 38-96218. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Count 2, speed freeway, 1 to 5 over. Ticket number SP 108-61981. Failed to signal on turn or leaving curb. Ticket SP 1086198, count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3 of that same ticket is no valid registration. Ticket number SP 1396148, failed to signal, count 1. Count 2, failed to stop for a stop sign. Ticket number SP 1396147, count 1, expired plate. Count 2, defective brake lights. Count 3, no valid registration certificate. Ticket number SP 1217369, failed to stop for a stop sign. Ticket number SP 1315831, count 1, 16 to 20 miles over posted speed. Count 2, failed to signal. Ticket number SP 1381409, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, drove while license suspended. Ticket SP 1396137, count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket SP 1314963, count 1, violation of the basic speed law, drove in unsafe manner. Count 2, failed to signal. Count 3, defective brake light. Ticket number SP 1315852, count 1, failed to comply with limit line marking red signal, drove while license suspended. Count 2. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket SP 1314961, drove while license suspended. Count 1. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket SP 1217370, count 1, drove while license suspended, repeat offender. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket SP 1081169, driver's license expired. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Baughman for the defendant. Sir, state your name.
Kevin Williams.
Judge, the defendant is here for pretrial. We've discussed the instant cases. He's going to plead guilty. There's a resolution that asks that he would plead to 5 separate, 6 separate violations or infractions, and that the balance of the cases will be dismissed here. He's ready to give a factual basis.
So we have
Please, two counts of failure to display.
2 counts of improper plates.
Correct.
And then
The
is it 1 count?
speeding, unlimited access, 1 to 5 over, and then count that ends in 633. I believe that's a defective equipment or defective brake light.
Defective brake light. I got the tickets. All right. Yes. Mr. Williams, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You can put your hand down, sir. Did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the right that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I want to take your attention first back to the date of February 17th of 2022. Sir, were you driving a Mercury vehicle in the area of East McNichols and Conant Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
And while you're driving that vehicle, was your license suspended?
Yes.
Did you not have any car insurance on that vehicle?
No, I didn't.
All right. And did it have defective brake lights on it?
Yes.
And did you do limited access driving 1 to 5 miles over the speed that day?
Yes.
All right, let me make sure I put that down. Also, I want to take your attention to the date of June 21st of 2021, sir. At that time, were you driving that Mercury vehicle in the area of Glendale and LaSalle in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Did you drive while your license was suspended at that time, sir?
Yes, I did.
Did your vehicle also not have any car insurance on it at that time?
No, it didn't.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
I am satisfied as to all 6 counts, Your Honor, and would stipulate the probable cause as to all the remaining cases to be dismissed here. Thank you.
All right, at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of fail to display ×2, the amended charge of improper plates ×2, the amended charge of responsible to limited access 1 to 5 over, and the defective brake lights. Okay, sir. For
Thank you.
the 1 to 5 over, that's a fine of $125. The brake lights, defective brake lights is $120. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infraction. That's $245. Is that gonna be enough time for you? 14 days for those 2 tickets?
No, ma'am.
How much time do you need on those 2 tickets?
I'm trying to get another job, but probably a month, maybe.
All right. I'll give you until September 1st, 2023 on those tickets. On the remaining tickets, cost and fines. All right, I'm gonna do 2 of the tickets at $200 a piece. So the other 2 tickets, I'm gonna waive the cost and fines on it. So that'll be $400 additional dollars, but I'm gonna give you until November 1st, 2023 to pay that additional $400, okay?
Okay.
Okay? All right, Mr. Williams, there's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mr. Ziegler, are you there? Can you go back to breakout room number 17 for a few moments, please? I'd like to talk to you. You should be able to join the breakout room number 17. Here, I'll try to put you in a different room. Move you to room 16. Please press join. Oh, he just joined. All right.
You ready, Attorney Bowman, or you need a moment? All right, Mr. Ziegler?
Yes.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Levon Ziegler. This is ticket SP 1451123. Drove while license suspended. Ticket SP 1451200. No valid registration certificate, count 1. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, no rear view or defective mirror. Ticket number SP 129520101. Drove while license suspended. Ticket SP 143477721. Drove while license suspended. Count 2 of that ticket is no proof of insurance. Count 3, defective or missing equipment. Ticket number SP 129520102. No insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Sir, state your name.
Lamont Ziegler.
Judge, these matters are here for pretrial. To his credit, the defendant is going to waive his right to any further hearings or trials. He's going to plead guilty. There's a recommendation, and he's ready to enter a guilty plea.
All right. If that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
I understand.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I want to take your attention first back to the day of April 16th of 2023. At that time, were you driving a Ford vehicle in the area of Conant and Ganglin Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving, was your license suspended at the time?
Yes.
Was something also wrong with your rear view mirror?
Yes.
All right. Then I want to take your attention to the date of December 27th of 2021. At that time, were you driving a Ford vehicle in the area of East 7 Mile and Finland Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And did you not have any car insurance on your vehicle at that time?
No.
All right. And counsel, will you stipulate for the last ticket to the Four Corners is a defective or missing equipment that happened on February 17th of 2023?
So stipulated, Your Honor, and I'm satisfied with the factual basis on all counts and stipulate the probable cause as to any matters being dismissed here. Thank you.
Thank you. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of fail to display, amended charge of improper plates, and 2 defective equipment charges. Sir, the defective or missing equipment, that's a $120 charge. I want to say 9. Okay, no count 3. 120. And the defective, no rear view mirror is 120 as well. So that's $240. Typically with civil infractions, you have 14 days to pay them. Is that enough time for you, sir?
No,
How much time do you need, sir?
I need a lot of time because I think we just talked about this. I think I seen you.
We did, didn't we?
Yeah.
You need to set up a payment plan. Did you have some other tickets?
Yeah, can you chop these down too? Because you chopped a lot of stuff down before.
I did. So I'm only going to charge you for the civil infractions because I can't find a way around it. I was going to charge you $0 for the other 2 tickets. But you need to come down here and set up a payment plan and stop driving until you get all your affairs in order. Because all you're going to do is keep seeing me, Mr. Ziegler.
I know. I don't want to see you under these circumstances.
I know. We don't want to see me under these circumstances. How about this? I'm going to give you 90 days for you to come down here and put yourself in a payment plan. I can't do anything with the civil infractions. You got to pay the civil infractions, but I'll waive the cost and fines on the other 2 tickets.
What about from when we was the last time you chopped me down to like 1,500? Can you chop that down some more now? Or can you just take it away?
No, I can't do anything with civil infractions. So civil infractions are tickets that are put into place with a certain set fee by the state of Michigan. So those tickets are as is. The only thing I can do with the other 2 tickets is not charge you any more money. So I'm going to charge you $0 on those, but these civil infractions you're going to have to pay for.
So
but the other ticket,
how much is that total that I owe today?
$240.
Okay, because I think it was like 15 something before, so plus 2-3 more hundred. Okay, so okay.
Yep, I'm not going to charge you anymore. I'm not going to charge you for the other 2 tickets, right? But come down here and set up a plan and get this stuff fixed, so that way you at least won't have these other tickets, these random civil infractions, because they'll make you pay civil infractions. And civil infractions will rack up real quick, Mr. Ziegler.
I can't set the payment plan up over the phone.
I don't know. You can call and try, but they usually want money. That's why they want you to come down here, because they usually want you to put some money down at least.
Because come on down here and try to do that don't really sound too good.
Yeah, come try. At least come and see what they're talking about, okay? Because that way you can try and figure things out and know where to go, okay? Because I'm waiving as much as I can, but I can only waive so much, okay?
I appreciate it.
And then the other cases are being dismissed as well, okay? So you've taken care of everything that I have. Now you just got to try and take care of the other stuff, okay?
All right.
Okay, that's what I can do for you today, okay? No additional, just got to pay the civil infractions you play responsible to today, okay?
Anyway, you can look and see if I got any more tickets or any other court dates or anything.
So I can only do 36 district, and we pull every open case that you have at 36.
Oh
district.
yeah, because it ain't. I don't go nowhere else. I don't.
Okay. So my clerk this morning printed out some new cases, so I know I have all of them because she always checks for me to make sure.
All right, cool.
Okay.
All right.
So I took care of all the cases that you currently have open as of the last time. I think the closest date was April 16, 2023. Have you got any tickets after that date?
I don't think so. No. I don't think so.
Let me get the dog. Come on, Dad.
Okay. All right. So as long as you don't have any more, we took care of everything, okay?
Okay, so I don't have no more court dates at all?
No more court dates at all, Mr. Ziegler. This was it today, okay?
Okay. Thank y'all.
All right. This is the new ticket, okay? If you get a new ticket.
I'm gonna have to come back and see you again, huh?
That's right. And I'm gonna remember, okay? So stop coming to see me under these circumstances, okay?
I will.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, sir. Enjoy the rest of your day and come down here and make that plan so that you can start planning on some of this, okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a good day.
That it, Judge?
I believe so.
Sorry.
It's okay. Yeah, dog or something. What was happening?
Yeah, the dog is, I got the electrician over here. The dog terrorizing my worker.
I see. All I saw was like, hey, I'll get him. I'll get him.
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. I was gonna say we're finished. Me and Mr. Ziegler were having our annual talk. Okay. But what he can do to help himself.
Well, he's got to be thankful for you helping him, Judge. That's
No,
doing a lot. Appreciate it.
No problem.
Thank you.
Of course. All right.
So I'm back at 1:30. Everybody have a good one.
You too. Have a good
Bye.
day, okay?
I'll see you soon.
And he said, can you just make it go away?
Sorry, sir.
Okay, how we rolling this afternoon, Judge?
Take us off live, please.
Huh?
Take us off live, please.
Oh.